This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Doug Albert. Welcome home to the Brandon Place section of Norfolk that is conveniently located near Norfolk Outlet Shops, IKEA, entertainment, grocery stores, interstate access, airport, Naval Bases, restaurants, Norfolk Botanical Garden, Norfolk Zoo, and so much more. Location, location, location. This home features updates throughout. Some updates include the kitchen countertops, appliances, bathrooms, insulation in the attic, backyard fencing, and etc. Perfect home for wherever you are on the journey of home ownership. Don't miss the chance to see this home before it's gone. Gone. For more information, review the details below or contact Doug Albert at 757-286-2799.